What's up, y'all? So, like, literally, like, 4 days ago, Divatress, they hit your girl up, and they was like, yo, we think you're cool. Would you like to review some hair? And I was like, duh. So I don't know if any of you guys follow Alyssa Forever, but she had this hair in, and I thought it was super, super cute. And so I was like, I really need to get comfortable with having curly hair because I'm always like, I don't know, even right now I'm looking at this like I look so strange with this, but I'm so used to not having big hair. But eventually my hair is going to grow and it's going to be big, so I need to, like, you know, be used to this. So what I got was 3 packs of the 2X Freetress 2X, which just means that there's 2 bundles in a pack. The wand curl braid, and it is the ringlet wand curl. Bam bam, this stuff right here. And it's crocheted, and yeah, this is what it looks like. I got mine in the color 2. Even though I got it in a 2, it's still a little too dark for me. I should have got it in a 4. I'm not used to my hair being very dark, so this is really strange for me. But anyway, this is what the hair looks like. It comes in 1 length, and it is pretty like spot on with what somebody with like 4C hair would look. So this is really, my hair doesn't look like this when I wand curl it, but this is like 4C wand curl for sure. Maybe not 4C, maybe like a 4B wand curl. But it mimics really well. It's not super shiny. It doesn't look crazy. It's cute. Like, oh good, now it's a little exposed. You can see the actual curl pattern. It's it's a really cute curl pattern. It's like big, just cute ringlets. And it's just really cute. And I'm excited about it. So, I did like a sort of tutorial, but more so just letting y'all see my braid pattern and what it looks like while I'm doing it. I made it to where I could part it in the middle and over here on the side. I like the side part better. A lot better. Yeah, so if you're interested in knowing how I did it or whatevs, keep watching. Wow. So, before I get started, I just wanted to show you guys my curl pattern. No, I wanted to show you my braiding pattern. Braid pattern, I don't fucking know. Anyway, so I don't have a whole lot of hair, so there's a few spots where I have like the front are conjoined and then they just make a braid in the back. I'm not very good at braiding. While I did kind of surprise myself a little bit this time because these braids are pretty sturdy, I think. Not hella sturdy, but sturdier than the usual. But anyway, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 braids in the front and probably like 8 in the back. And then I just sewed the ends of my braids up into a head. And I always, whenever I do that, like whenever I braid my braids up into the back or, you know, sew them in, I try to use my gold thread because sometimes I cut my hair. So, yeah, I'm probably just gonna do like a just time lapse, whatever, and you guys will just watch me do this. Okay, here goes. So here's the thing. I don't actually feel like recording the back because I need to look in the mirror. So I'll be back when I get closer to the top of my head and I can show you like a little more in depth like what it is that I am doing. Okay, so I have all of the back done and just this much left. So I'm just gonna show you guys what it is that we're doing here. Okay. As you can see, this hair is super, super full. I like it big like this though, but I wanted most of the volume to be at the bottom. So as I went through my head, the majority of the back, I just used a full curl, but for the rest of them, I've been splitting them in half. And then as I get to the front parts of my hair, I'm like using really small pieces. So, if you've never crocheted before, you just stick your little thing through your braid, not underneath it. Hook your hair on, close your little flap, and pull. And then you're just gonna find your hole. And I'm double knotting mine. So I pull it through one time, and kind of just like a hair tie, so boom, and then you're done. And then after that, I've been just separating the pieces as I go. Okay. Some of the ones that are like really, really thick, I'm like separating in threes.
Girls love Beyonce, girls that will fuck with your conscience. Girls hate when fellas commission. And shawty, you ain't no different. These days it's hard to meet gentlemen. Feel like my love life is finished. I've been avoiding commitment. That's why I'm in this position.
Alright, bam. And we're done. We're done. This hair is like so big. And I know it's gonna get bigger. So hopefully I can handle it. But yeah, so as far as like shedding, I've been pulling out hair. I don't think this is necessarily shedding. I think this is hair that like didn't actually get looped in as I was putting it all in, you know. But this is the finished look. It's big and fun, and I'm excited about it. I never do curly hair. I always do my hair straight or braids or what have you. So this is going to take a lot of getting used to for sure. So we'll see how long it stays in. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, you know, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe and whatnot. And I'll see you in the next one. Bow.
Yeah, turn it up in the headphones. I need to hear that shit whack. There it is. Yeah. I said fuego, coming with the flame like a Draco. Make a broke nigga catch up.